Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, you're very much welcome. My name is Shiko and I am so happy that you clicked this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified on any time I upload a new video. So on today's video, I am going to show you how I achieved this look, which is the look that I did for my makeup brush challenge that I did together with other makeup artists that you can find on my Instagram, link down below. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's quickly jump into doing the eyebrows. I'm going to start by brushing them, and I have a detailed brow tutorial that I'm gonna link somewhere here so that you guys can check it out if you want to see how a more detailed tutorial on eyebrows. So I'm using the Davis number 3 pencil. So for concealer, I'm using Eyebrow Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to clean my eyebrows. Brows are done. I kind of feel like they're so thick, but I kind of still like them. So I'm going to do my eyeshadow now, and to start I'm going to use the same concealer, which is the Eyebrow Pro Concealer, as my base. This is a really important step when you're doing eyeshadow because it really helps the eyeshadow to pack nicely. It makes eyeshadow application easier, and it also helps for the colors, eyeshadow colors, to appear pigmented. To blend that, I'm going to use this brush and just tap the concealer in. So you really want to just tap, don't spread it. And this is a rule that applies to makeup in general. Never spread, always just tap. Whether it's foundation, whether it's applying powder, always use tapping motions. So you can see how smooth that is. So for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use my Juvias palette. I'll start by applying this yellow shade. It is very pigmented. If you're looking for nice pigmented eyeshadow, I definitely recommend Juvias palettes. They are amazing, you guys. They are so pigmented. Then going to apply this orange. Then going to take my Zaron palette. Then going to take this brown shade, apply that around this area. I'm using that shade to blend off the dark purple color. For crease, I'm using this brush and Eyebrow Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. So that's my cut crease. Going to take my black eyeliner. This is the W7. Then going to take this shade and set that black eyeliner. I'm going to use this shade from my Jawbreaker palette. It's a shimmer shade, and I'm going to place that shimmer shade on my lids. I learned that when applying shimmer shades, it's easier to use this flat concealer brush. It really packs the colors nicely, as you can see. Yeah, so next I'm going to use my pink eyeliner. This is the eyeliner. You can find this at the Glam Store on Instagram. I'm gonna leave a link down below. They have a lot of colored eyeliners. So I'm gonna line here. So I'm going to first use this glitter eyeliner as a base because I want to place a little bit glitter on the eyes. So this is the loose glitter I'm going to use, and I'm just going to use my finger. I'm done with the eyes. For primer, I'm going to use my MAC Prep&Prime. And apply that using my fingers to give me an even application. It's a very nice primer if you have dry skin because it is dewy. For foundation, I'm using this Kavirondo in the shade Mnyazi. It's a Kenyan brand, and it's a foundation that I've been using for quite some time now and I've been loving. So I also noticed that when I apply foundation directly on my brush, it stains the brush and it's harder to clean. So I first apply the foundation on the back of my hand, use my finger to spread it on the areas that I want to concentrate on. And then use my brush to blend. You want to tap the brush, you don't want to spread, you just want to tap as you move. To highlight my face, I'm going to use a legal concealer in the shade Fawn. So I'm going to use my beauty blender, which is not damp. This one is just it's not damp, it's dry, and I'm going to use that to blend the concealer, because I realized that when I use a dry one, it blends easier than a damp beauty blender. Can you see? To contour, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 364. I'm going to use this beauty blender, a different one, to blend in the contour. So I'm using Juvias setting powder to set the concealer, and I'm using the same dry blender, and I'm just like pushing it into the skin. To contour, I'll use this elegant powder in the shade Toffee. I'm using this to set the contour, the foundation that I used to contour with, because when you use a creamy product, you just want to set it with a powder. For blush, I'm going to use this orange shade together with a bit of this pink. I'm gonna place it on my cheeks. Then taking my elegant powder in the shade Classic Tan, and I'm going to use that all over my face to blend everything together. And it's also helping me to blend out the harsh lines. To spray my face, I'm using my badesque setting spray. Spraying your face is very important because it's what will make the makeup settle in and make you not look so exaggerated, so it will be like skin, not a lot of powder on top of your face. It is going to blend everything in together. Yeah, so do not skip setting spray. You can even use rose water. It's only 75 pop in the supermarket, and transfer it to a spray bottle and use that to spray your face. So no excuse. As I wait for that to dry, I'll do my lips, and I'm starting with Davis pencil. This is the Davis lip pencil in number 54. I'm taking my Maybelline Superstay in the shade Voyager. I'm going to kind of blend the brown lip liner. Then going to apply Maybelline Superstay in the shade Fighter. To highlight my face, I'm using e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Apricot Glow. So this is a final look. I'm going to put on my wig and dress up, and I'll be back. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching the tutorial. So all the products that I used are listed in the description box below. Also, if you guys can leave me a comment, I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions or a request of a video, you can also leave it on the comment section below. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified on every time I upload a new video. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.